Are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? In today's video, we're exploring the 5 best 3D printers for creative projects in 2025. Whether you're into art, design, prototyping, or just love bringing your ideas to life, these printers are perfect for you. Stick around till the end to find out which one gives you the best value this year. Unlock your creativity with the top 5 3D printers for creative projects in 2025. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade machines, we've got you covered. Check out the full list here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo, best for beginners. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is a beginner's dream in 2025, offering a seamless blend of ease, versatility, and vibrant multicolor printing for creative projects. Priced at around $399, this FDM printer features a 250x250x260mm build volume, ideal for crafting detailed figurines, colorful home decor, or custom gifts. Its standout feature is the ACE module, enabling multicolor printing that brings artistic designs to life without complex setups. With print speeds up to 500mm, it balances efficiency and quality, supported by a direct drive extruder compatible with PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The auto-leveling system and intuitive touchscreen interface simplify operation, making it accessible for those new to 3D printing. Setup is straightforward, taking about 30 minutes, and the PEI-coated bed ensures strong adhesion and easy print removal. While the color module increases costs and complex prints may slow down, the Cobra 3 Combo excels in delivering vibrant, high-quality results with minimal tinkering. Its compact design fits well in home studios, and Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy file transfers via Cura or Anycubic's slicer. For beginners eager to explore colorful creative projects like cosplay accessories or artistic models, this printer offers a user-friendly experience with professional-grade output. The Cobra 3 Combo is a fantastic choice for those starting their 3D printing journey with a focus on creativity and simplicity. Number 4. Creality K1C, best for speed and performance. The Creality K1C is a powerhouse for creators prioritizing speed and performance in 2025, designed to handle ambitious projects with ease. Priced at approximately $599, this FDM printer offers a 220x220x200mm build volume, suitable for rapid prototyping, cosplay props, or intricate models. Its blazing 600 ms print speed, powered by a Core XY motion system, makes it one of the fastest in its class, printing a 3D benchy in under 20 minutes without sacrificing quality. The trimetallic unicorn nozzle and 300-degree key hot end support a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber, ideal for durable and creative applications. Auto-leveling and a triple lead screw design ensure stability and precision, while the enclosed chamber supports high-temperature printing for professional results. Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, paired with Creality's slicer, streamline workflows. However, the print bed can be inconsistent, sometimes complicating print removal, and its filament path could be smoother. With a plug-and-play setup and intuitive interface, the K1C is perfect for creators needing fast, reliable outputs for projects like functional prototypes or large-scale art pieces. Its robust build and advanced features make it a top pick for performance-driven hobbyists and small businesses looking to push creative boundaries in 2025. Number 3. Prussa MK4S, best for versatility. The Prussa MK4S is a versatile titan in 2025, perfect for creators who demand flexibility across a wide range of projects. Priced at $1,099, this FDM printer offers a 250x210x220mm build volume, ideal for everything from detailed miniatures to robust mechanical parts. Its high-speed printing, reaching up to 500mm, is backed by a 32-bit board and automatic first-layer calibration, ensuring precision without constant tweaks. The MK4S supports a vast array of filaments, PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and more, making it a go-to for diverse creative applications like cosplay, home decor, or educational models. Its open-source design and massive community support allow endless customization, from nozzle swaps to firmware tweaks, appealing to tinkerers and professionals alike. The modular printheads and Prussa slicer integration enhance usability, while Wi-Fi connectivity simplifies file transfers. Setup requires some assembly, especially the kit version, but the process is well documented, taking about an hour. The MK4S's reliability and consistent print quality shine, though its higher price may deter beginners. For creators seeking a printer that adapts to any project, be it artistic sculptures or functional prototypes, the Prussa MK4S delivers unmatched versatility and long-term value, backed by Prussa's legendary support ecosystem. Number 2. Formlabs Form 4 Best Premium. The Formlabs Form 4 is a premium resin printer redefining high-detail creative projects in 2025, perfect for professionals and serious hobbyists. Priced at $3,599, it offers a 200x125x210mm build volume, ideal for crafting intricate jewelry, detailed miniatures, or precise prototypes with stunning 50-micron resolution. Its advanced low-force stereolithography (LFS) technology ensures ultra-smooth surfaces and fine details, making it a favorite for artists and designers. The Form 4 supports a wide range of resins, including flexible, durable, and biocompatible options, catering to specialized applications like dental models or high-end decor. With print speeds up to 100 mm/h, it's significantly faster than its predecessors, while automated resin handling and a user-friendly touchscreen streamline operation. Setup is quick, taking under 30 minutes, and Wi-Fi connectivity integrates seamlessly with pre-form software. However, resin printing is messier and costlier than FDM, requiring careful maintenance and ventilation. The Form 4's professional-grade output and reliability make it ideal for creators pushing the limits of precision, such as sculptors or product designers. For those willing to invest in top-tier quality, the Formlabs Form 4 delivers unparalleled detail and versatility for creative projects in 2025. Number 1. Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon Best Overall. The Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon reigns supreme as the best overall 3D printer for creative projects in 2025, blending speed, precision, and ease of use. Priced at $199, this FDM printer features a 256x256x256mm build volume, perfect for large-scale models, functional prototypes, or vibrant multicolor prints. Its 500 minutes print speed, powered by a carbon rail system, delivers high-quality results in record time, while AI-assisted calibration ensures flawless first layers. The Automatic Material System, AMS, enables seamless multi-material and multicolor printing, ideal for eye-catching decor, cosplay pieces, or complex assemblies. Supporting filaments like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and carbon fiber, it offers unmatched creative flexibility. The intuitive touchscreen and Wi-Fi connectivity, paired with Bamboo Studio Slicer, make operation effortless, even for beginners. Setup is plug-and-play, taking under 20 minutes. While its price is higher than budget options and its complexity may intimidate novices, the X1 Carbon's reliability and pro-grade output make it a top choice for creators. From Etsy sellers to professional prototypers, this printer excels in turning ideas into reality with speed and precision, making it the ultimate tool for creative projects in 2025.